Hello guys, how are you today? It's Geo Anthony. Today I wanna show you how do I make my vocal effects. I'll make it short so it won't gonna waste your time. Now follow me, I'm gonna mess up my life. Choose some vocal.
Please stop. It's okay.
You can duplicate it. First option is to adjust some pitch high or low. This time I gonna try pitching low about -600 cents. Let's hear it.
Please stop. It's okay.
Sounded good. Now let's try pitching up.
Please stop. It's okay.
Sounds delicious, minion. LOL. Now for advanced editing, load a sample into a EDISON stock plugin. I'm going to mess up some format preservation and stop until I like what I hear. I'll adjust some factor course.
Please stop. It's okay.
I gonna speed up a bit.
Please stop. It's okay.
Now I get what I want and accept it. Normalize and drag it in your playlist.
Please stop. It's okay.
I'm gonna load the edited vocal to a mixer track.
Please stop. It's okay.
High pass it and add some delay and reverb. This is how I mix my vocal effects.
Please stop. It's okay. Please stop. It's okay. Please stop. It's okay.
Add stereo effect.
Please stop. It's okay.
Now let's compare the normal pitch control and the format preservation.
Please stop. It's okay. Please stop. It's okay.
Where's one good? You can do it in any vocal samples, in your a cappella, vocal loops, vocal words, vocal chants, and so on.
Please stop. It's okay.
You can add some fancy option like putting a flanger.
Fruity flanger.
Please stop. It's okay. Please stop. It's okay. Please stop. It's okay.
Now let's try it in other vocals.
Remix! 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 Remix. Remix.
You can add some extra sauce on it.
Remix.
That's all for now. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to follow my channel. Bye for now. Have a nice day.